I am Christoph from the YouTube channel Bongo Planes, where we cover all things aviation. But today I'm here on behalf of Inside Flyer and Travel Plus Loyalty on Iceland. But what could I possibly be doing here? You see, Norwegian Cruise Lines has just introduced a brand new class of cruise ships called Prima. And who better to check that out than a true aviation geek who knows nothing about cruise ships? But luckily we have a week to check out everything this ship has to offer. And that's a whole lot. With a length of about 300 meters and 19 decks, the Prima class ship offers space for 3,100 passengers and 1,500 crew and is well and truly a class of its own and has entertainment en masse. Everything from a wide range of shops, pools, spa, an onboard theater and racetrack, you name it.
Welcome to the local house.
So join me and Travel Plus Loyalty on this cruise from Reykjavik all the way to Amsterdam. And of course, be sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell notification so you won't miss out on any of the upcoming content from this cruise. I've been Christoph from Bongo Planes on behalf of Inside Flyer and Travel Plus Loyalty. Thank you for watching.